Hi guys! Welcome back to another YouTube video. So ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng The VHS Paradise. At ang laro na to ay nakita ko sa Google, gawa naghahanap ako ng malalaro kong horror game for another video. And nadaanan ko yung genre na retro horror games. And yung retro horror games pala is yung mga ganitong graphics and ah nagandahan ako sa mga ganitong graphics lalo na pag nanonood ako ng ibang YouTuber na naglalaro ng ganitong genre at maganda naman yung kinakalabasan at yun nga sinasabi nila na nakakatakot daw tong laro na to pero ako to hindi ako matatakot sa ganyan. Napakadali lang neto tapusin guys. Maniwala kayo sa akin. So without further ado guys, no, sisimulan na natin to. Ay, yun na, simula na yun. Bilis, straightforward. Saan ba tayo? Ay! Akala ko ako yung ano. Hi Robert. Oh, ako si Robert. I hope you are well. I hate this damn fever. But I'm recovering. Remember to start your shift by turning on the computer. I've left a good movie for you to watch when you finish your work. Oh, okay. By the way, I heard that the rate of thieves increased a lot in the city and much more at night time. Pay attention to what each customer is doing. If you see one leaving without paying, run to stop him. Be careful. Be very careful. Okay. Ano to? Ay, pusang gala. Nasira ako ata. Kailangan ata to, boy. Start the shift, yes. Oh, may customer na tayo. Hello, sir. Ano pong kailangan nila? Kunwari, cheer-cheer lang tayo. Okay. Ganda-ganda ng mga movie ah. Pero pinagmamasdan na natin siya. Okay, okay. Maganda tong movie na to. Oh, yan na siya. Oh, yan na siya, si kuya. Yes, sir. Hello, I want to rent this movie for 3 days. Good evening, it's $4. Here you go, my son will love this gift. Is this gift for your son? Don't you think you should buy the movie instead of renting it? No, he watches the movies repeatedly the first few days and then completely forgets about them. Haha. He's 11 years old. He loves action movies. Oh, okay then. Thanks for your purchase. Thanks to you. Goodbye. Bye. Ingat. Baka manakawan ka. Ingat ka, boy. Baka manakawan ka. Sir. Oh, check ulit natin kung magnakaw siya. Oh, ito. Magandang movie. Ah. Oy! Pusang gala ka. Nanakawan tayo. Na-distract ako ng pintuan. Ikaw yun ah. Siguraduhin nyo hindi kayo makakalapit sa akin. Tingnan nyo lang. Sige, sige, sige. Sige, sige, sige. Hello friend, I want to buy this movie. Ninakawan tayo nun. Excellent, finally. Finally what? I have finally reached 100 movies purchased. I love collecting these wonders. Do you even watch the movies? No, I don't. I don't see them. I buy them just to decorate my house. Are you going to pay or what? Ah yes, take it. Thank you very much. Ninakawan tayo. Nakakat yan sa ano natin, sa sweldo natin. Bantayan natin to. Bantayan natin to. Tatakbo to, alam ko eh. Huli! Oh, huli! Oh, it's my son's birthday. He is 7 years old and wants to have this movie very much. I have no money. Have mercy. Forgive her and let go. No, bro. Sorry. No mercy ako. No mercy. Sa yan. Ibigay mo sa akin yan. Ibigay mo sa akin yung ninanakaw mo. Wala akong pakialam sa birthday ng anak mo. Oh, sige, sige, sige. Sige, dito ako nagbabantay sa labas, oh. Sige, sige. Tingin-tingin siguro ate, oh. Ang babayaran niya. Yes. Okay, I'm new in the city, you know. It's pretty, but I've heard there's a lot of crime. Yes, be careful. Did you move here or are here in vacation? I'm moving here with my husband. We hope everything goes well. Oh, I understand. I love to go. Good night. Good luck. Ingat, baka makuha sa'yo yan. Nakatakas pa naman sa akin magnanakaw kanina. Yun na. Bantayan ulit natin si kuya. Ba't talaga mga tao ngayon pati ba naman tape ninanakaw? Ay, babayaran niya. Hello, sir. Naughty Rabbits is a sex adventure. Do you want to buy or rent it? I want to buy it. Okay, it's $20. Here is the money. I'm surprised you are on the only cashier who doesn't look at me with disgust or rejection when he sees that I want to buy a movie like that. The truth is, I don't give a damn. Ooh! I also like this movie. The scenes are very exciting. I'm sorry, but I'm not allowed to chat with customer. I have to close the shop now. I don't have time to talk to you. Thanks for your purchase. Siguro na. The truth is, I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn, boy. Umalis ka. I don't give a damn. Umalis ka, bro. Tinutulak ako ni kuya. Well, my shift is now over. Nakala sa March movie that time. Uy, ano yun? Uy, ano yun? Ay, ano yan? Sino ang may pakana? I thought the mechanic had fixed the alarm problem, but I hope John's movie doesn't disappoint me. Sinong nagpaano nun? Visit kayo ah. Okay. Close the shop and watch the movie? Yes. Of course. Sasarado natin yung shop. Walang papasok dito iba. What a mediocre movie. I've never seen such a predictable ending. I wonder what John saw in this to recommend it to me. I better go home. I'm tired of being here. Ay! Ay! Adik ka! Adik ka! Pusang gala ka! Pusang gala ka! Wag! Ano yun? Nasa ibang bahay ako? Ano yun? Hindi yun yung shop ko kanina eh. Hindi yun yung shop ko yung kanina, boy. Hindi yun yung shop ko. Another Rabbits and the Sexy Adventure. Bro, siya yung lalaki! Yung sinabihan ko ng ano, na I don't give a damn. So, missing tayo guys. Nakidnap tayo ng lalaki. Yes. Okay. Tatlo yung ending niya. Kunin natin lahat. Kailangan natin mabait dun sa kanya. Huwag natin siya sabihin na, I don't give a damn. Ito, magnanakaw yan boy. Alam ko yung magnanakaw to eh. Abangan natin yan dito. Tingin-tingin pa siya kunwari o. Tapos bigla niyang tatakbuhan yan. Oh! Oh! Huli! Oh! Huli! Kumag. Dude, I'm unemployed and in debt. I just want to watch a movie in peace. No! I don't give a damn! Sabi ko nga doon sa huli, diba? Doon sa nanonood ng Sexy Rabbit. I don't give a damn, bro. Ito. Magnanakaw to, alam ko. Let's judge the cover by each book. Okay. Tingin-tingin siya kunwari, tapos sabay tatakbo yan. Huli. This movie is for my little niece. Please, forgive him and let him go. No! I don't give a damn about your little niece. I have no mercy, bro. Siguro magbabackfire sa akin yung mga yon. Tingnan natin. Okay. Ba't ang pangit ng mukha niya? Pangit ng mukha niya. Okay, babayaran niya. Hello. Good evening, sir. Good night, sir. Good night. I'm taking this film for one day. What happened? I was fired due to the downsizing. I work in our office. I'm sorry to hear that. Did you like that job? No, my boss was an idiot. The good thing about all this is that while I look for another job, I will have a time to meditate and for myself. Yes. Get some rest too, bro. I understand. Luckily, my boss is a good person. He tries to encourage me to be happy with this job, but he still doesn't succeed. Very often, I have to deal with very strange people and also with thieves. It's horrible, but unfortunately, I have to continue with this job because I have to pay for my studies. Yes, lately, the city is very insecure. There's a lot of crime and crazy people on the loose. You have to take care of yourself. Well, I hope that soon the work situation will improve for both of us. You'll just have to be optimistic. Goodbye. Thank you very much. Have a nice night. Bye, sir. Thank you. Thank you for buying. Nga. Sa future, kailangan nyo rin syempre magpahinga. Get some rest too, guys. Hindi yung puro trabaho. I mean, wala namang masama sa pagtatrabaho. Pero kapag na-overwork mo kasi yung sarili mo, syempre, para saan pa yung mga pinagtrabahuan mo? Kasi para saan pa yung kunyari, magkakasakit ka rin pala. O maubos rin dun sa papagamot mo yung perang kinita mo. Ayan na, Sinoterapics. Okay. Hindi natin sasabihin yung I don't give a damn. I also like this movie. The scenes are very exciting. Ito tayo sa pangalawa. That's right. My name is Kyle. What's your name? I'm Robert. Nice to meet you. Can I ask you? Right? Sure. Are you happy in this job? Do you fulfill it? What do you ask that? Why do you ask that? I'm curious. No, the truth is that I'm not happy. I was never. It makes me very sad to hear that. Well, it's nice meeting you, Robert. I hope to see you soon. Also, bye. I-report ko kaya yan habang naalis siya. Hindi siya pwedeng ma-report sa police. Tapos na ako, di ba? Should be sabay. Okay. Okay na. Ito pa rin tayo, boy. Please. Ayoko na makita ang pagmumukha ni, ni Kyle. Paano pag no? May magbabago ba pag nino ko? Ay, oo, magbabago to pag nino ko kasi makikita ko kung sinong papasok. Makakatakas ako. Ganun ba yun? Nag-overthink ako masyado eh. Baka ganun nga. Kasi, di ba, manonood ako movie, hindi ko mamamalaya may nakapasok na pala sa akin. I think, ganon. Or kailangan ko talaga manood ng movie. Baka kailangan ko talaga manood ng movie. Alam ko na, expected ko na to. Ay! Nandito na naman siya. Takbo! Boy, nakatakas ako! Oh my gosh! Kalmado ako noon. Ano nangyayari sa akin? What? The brakes don't work. Dala. Paano yan? You died in a traffic accident. Ano yung pangatlong ending na ito? So kahit sabihan ko siya na I don't give a damn. Ito, pwede pa rin ako pumasok. Ay, pwede ata ako magtago dito bago ako manood. Oo, pwede nga ako magtago dito bago ako manood. Siguro, diba manonood na ako, pipindutin ko yung no. Pag no ko, pupunta na ako sa baba. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko makakuha yung third ending. Ayun na, siya na ata yung nag-ano ng ano eh. Dito na tayo magsisimula. Sir, but I have not allowed to keep a customer. I have to close the shop now. I don't want to say things for the purchase. Oh, I understand. Bye. Okay, Kyle. Ikaw si Kyle, di ba? Tutunog to, no? Tutunog. Tutunog to, no? Hindi tumunog. Ba't hindi tumunog yon? So... Okay. Ito hindi siya tumunog. Okay. Okay, gets. Takbuhan na naman to, bro. Ay, ba't wala siya? Tama ba yung option na pinili ko? Tama nga! So, option lang pala siya. Nakabatay. Sa option ko. Oh, that makes sense. Happy ending. Let's go. We arrive home safely. Hindi ko... Ba't kaya ganun? No? Nag-try ako sa kanya maging friendly. Tinry pa rin akong kidnapin. Pero nung hindi ko na siya tinry maging friendly. Like, sinabi ko na I'm not allowed to chat with customers anymore. I have to close the shop. Thank you for your purchase. Bakit hindi siya nagalit? Or baka kailangan ko talaga bantayan yung kotse. Kasi, hindi ko binabantayan yung kotse tapos nasisira niya eh. I think ganun ata. Pero yun nga, ito na, natapos na natin tong The VHS Paradise. Nakuha natin yung tatlong ending. And, maganda naman siya. Unexpected yung yung bigla siya nasa likod ko yung bigla ang takbuhan. Nagulat kasi ako talaga kasi malay ko ba na nandun siya sa likod ko na nasa likod ko siya pagkatapos ko manood ng movie. Namatay. Namatay. So yun nga. Kung may i-recommend pa kayong laro na horror game and kung pwede, kung meron din kayong alam na retro horror game, i-suggest nyo lang sa akin at lalaroin ko. Na kaya syempre ng cellphone ko, pwede sa cellphone, sa Android, hindi sa computer. Kasi wala pa akong computer guys, wala pa akong laptop, kaya maawa kayo sa akin. Nag-iipon pa lang ako ng pera. Yun nga. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa larong ito, sa video na ito. At kung nag-enjoy kayo, please like, subscribe, at comment nyo kung ano pang mga laro na gusto nyo laruin ko. Ayun lang. Sa susunod ulit. Bye-bye. Next time ulit.